Welcome to the channel. I fell for it again. Seeing a big name on a very outdated digital pocket camera. These kinds of lenses make a very small circle image on the very small sensor that is in these cameras. So I had to put my Sony A7 on APC mode. An adapter was made quickly enough, and putting an aperture on such a small lens was not worth the effort. So all shots are wide open. There is a spot in the middle with somewhat sharpness. The rest is faded out, which can sometimes be quite nice. I was amazed by the beautiful colors and surprising bokeh. Nice attempt to do something different.